Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to Vantage webinars. How you guys doing? I hope today is a good day for you guys. Today, the first day of December, just exact 1st of December. Also, it's the last month of the year 2025. Anybody got disappointed last Fridays? Just to chit chat before we started last Friday, I was quite disappointed because I wanted to buy gold, but because of there is a problem. We know that's right. That's why I missed the entry. Okay. Yeah, so enough. I did not trade. I think should be like in the London session last Fridays. Okay, so today we going to like highlight the key level, and I'm gonna share with you guys how I'm look at the XAUUSD. I think I have kind of like 2 to 3 like possible setup, okay, in the higher time frame. Okay, so shall we just begin our session? Welcome everyone. Welcome to Vantage webinars. As you can see, for the Vantage webinar, they have 3 days per week. Monday was about like transaction. Tuesday, I think, was about fundamental, and then it Wednesday, which is gonna be me. I'm gonna share with you guys those about the like technical out there, or if you have any questions about trading, even though it's not really the topic, you can just ask me. I will get back to you. Even though if I don't know, okay, I'll find the answer and then get back in the next webinar. Okay, so and as usual, guys, before we start the webinar, disclaimer first, all right. Everything in this video is purely educational in nature. Nothing in this video should be considered as an investment recommendation or any kind of advices. All right. So if you get on the trade or you just want to follow my setup, just be cautious because I could be wrong. Okay, because my win rate is about 70 and 80. Sometimes my setup it hit stop loss as well. So just treat the stop loss, okay, as your friend, because stop loss can help you to protect your capital. Okay. And that's about myself. My name is Peggy. I'm investment analyst and the prop trader. So currently I trade on my account. I trade for the prop firm or proprietary firm. Okay. And then I also trade future as well. Okay. Okay, so a quick look on, hey Nina, nice to see you. Morning, I see you. Afternoon, I also see you. Nice. Okay, a quick look on the news. What is that? This? Just now, do you short go at the OB? I think gold was falling 200 pip. We're gonna see that in a short. Wow. Okay, so okay, time zone, I just stick to the UTC, just change the time zone according where you live, all right? Again, guys, I'm based in Singapore. Okay, so my time zone right now is at 4:04 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, maybe other parts of the world is in the morning. I just when I see your name. Okay, you're welcome to see you. Okay, so the December 1st, we had Bank of Japan. Okay, the data is already out, but I did not see any like a move that much. So I think they kind of like maintain the interest rate. That's why you do not see the yen is like falling or rising too much. Let me find the open the trading views. Just hang on. Mm. Okay, and then the today later at 3 p.m. we have a PMI coming up. High impact news for the US dollar. I think gonna impact as well. December 2nd, no news. Okay, December 3rd, we have 12:30 a.m. after midnight GDP for Aussie dollar. 7:30, we have CHF CPI. 1:15 p.m. ADP US dollars, and another one is 3 p.m. for the PMI as well. And the next day, December 4, unemployment claim. We don't have NFP. Fridays. We have only okay, we have the unemployment rate. No, this is for the Canadian dollars and American exchange. 3 p.m. or maybe we have core PC price index, consumer sentiment, inflation expectation at 3 p.m. We don't have an NFP. Maybe they don't have the data. Okay, non-farm. Is this the one? Or they change. Okay, so this week only have this high impact news coming up. That's all. Okay, yen's nothing much. Let me pull out the chart. We're gonna look at the let me look for the okay. Total. Hang on. Okay, so I think yen is falling, right? You see, this is a quick look. Yeah, I think they just want to maintain the interest rate, so nothing has changed. I'm gonna have a quick look later. Okay, so shall we just look at the guys, you can request. Okay, I was looking at yen. Do you see here? What is monetary policy? Hang on. Up. Okay. First of all, look at the dollar. I think right now DXY, okay, it went back to the first resistance. This is my support level right now. Let's just always, okay, every time or maybe first of the month, okay, or start of the new month, you need to look on the monthly time frame to see what happening. Okay, based on the monthly time frame, like I just always mentioned, price is still hold below $100. Okay, this is a key level, important level is here because before price broke below is what the resistance, right? And then you can see the support level a few months. How many months is it? You're gonna count, let's just count. How many months is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Since first of since first, oh, actually, it is right. It's broken the resistance level. This is the month of April 22. Okay, April 22 all the way stay up to when? Until March 25, this candle and April, month of April broken below. So how many months? How many is a 1 year? April until April. How many years? 2 years. It took 2 years. Oh, you have to see. This was the April 22 that price broke up, like broke this resistance level, 1st of April 22. And this one also April 25, it broke below. It stay on above 100.68 for 2 years. It's exact 2 year, right? Oh, I just noticed here. So April 22, April 25, 2 year. And then they broke. It will take 2 year. Is this weird, right? Okay, exact 2 year. And after that, you see that it went back on the 1st of May, like the month of May, went up and had rejected, right? You can see the rejection, and then price stayed below this key level. So this is gonna be where is the first resistance for the money time frame. Is a key level as well. For the monthly support for the dollar, what should we pick? This is the one. I'm gonna pick here for the support level. How many percent fifth? 70.2%. What about the extension? No. 161 is about $94. I'm not gonna use that. Gonna use that. Okay, that's the first support level right there. Weekly. Oh, hang on. The overall momentum is still in bearish, okay? That's why it's still on a bearish move. Okay. Lower, low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, so if they break above this high, and then they're gonna make the break above, pull back, then continue. Okay, so right now it's in a bearish. Well, where was the year? This was the 1984. Oh, some of you guys haven't born. The highest one was in February 1985. 85. Have you guys born yet? Yeah. If you born yet, meaning you're 40 plus. Anyway, okay, so right now, come on here, right? Still in the bearish move, and price hold below this resistance level, which is right here. Okay, and of course, if we're gonna highlight the zone, that's gonna be a very big zone here. And the potential for the DXY is gonna be this first support. You will look at D1. When you zoom in the D1, right, always you'll see that when at the key level, they show you the reversal pattern, double top or M pattern. And then you also can see the rejection, right? Rejected with a long wick and small body. Okay, so now, right now, what we want to see, we want to see that price close below. I'm gonna draw the close below 39.22, which is the body of the close below. The body have to close below. Then we'll consider that it have finally broke. Okay, and this gonna turn to become your neckline. Okay, so we're gonna look like the M pattern. Close below, we'll see the pullback, then we can sell. From here, support level, you also can see the demand zone, right? You also see the demand zone here. So the demand zones, you'll see the bulk around this price, 98.75 and 98.55. Okay. These are the key levels. So I want to see the body close. Okay, I want to see the body close below. Right here. like that. Okay, and this one is going to see the bounce. Okay, this is D1 time frame. Okay, H4. What's happening in H4 time frame? Okay, H4 time frame right now. We gonna adjust level. This is the first. This is, oof. This is the second resistance level. Okay. So now we are waiting for price to close below this next line in H4. I'm gonna adjust. This is gonna be my first support, meaning that if price close below the body and the wick here, then the first support is gonna become your flip zone. That's gonna be your first resistance. If the broke below pullback, gonna become your first resistance. This is second support. Okay, so this is the key level. Watch out, price is already falling. The zone. This is for the XY. Guys, do you can request, okay? If not, I got just go through major EU. Okay, right now EU at our first resistance level, guys. Uh, okay. Monthly time frame. This was the first resistance, and price has made the OB. Okay, these are the first resistance for the monthly. Weekly. Okay, weekly time frame. Is this gold is rising? This is support level. Oh, it's already London market open, right? This is weekly key level. It broke this due to be the resistance. Now it broke, become the support level here. Let me go down to D1 to have a closer look. Okay, D1 time frame right now. This one, actually this level, it used to become our support level, resistance support. By breakout, support level, right? You see, become the resistance, pullback, become the support level. I think it's gonna be the key level. I would say this is gonna be the first support, which is you buy just now, right? This is the second. This is very hard because of this level. First resistance right here. This is my second resistance. Okay. Right, so this one is, it shows how many percent? 78.6. I'm going to talk to BC extension. So basically, if price, the key level, not very nice. Oh, I go to H4. Okay. H4 time frame. 100%. Okay, I'm gonna pick here for the first resistance anyway. And then this is first support. This is the second support, first support right here. Okay. And you see they're making a demand zone right now. It's gonna be the second. Okay, this is gonna be the key level. There might be something here in the lower time frame for the first support. Okay. Right, in H1, this is the imbalance here. Like this was the M15 support level. If you want to adjust here, right, you will see that the resistance, multi-candle, rejected, 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 and rising. Now, right now, price also break above this high. Also break this high already. Yeah, so we're gonna see it rising to the first resistance. Yeah, at 2, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's what the bounce off the pre-market. We just said pre-market for the London that 2 p.m. my time zone, like 2 hours ago. Now it's already London open. Yeah, and they take out the Asia high, Asia New York high, London high, and they are making this high a double bottom. Okay, you want to have a closer look. Okay, these are the key level. I will just say this is my key level on the higher time frame. H4. GBP. Is this morning I tell you to sell, do you guys sell? Nina, do you sell the GU? You price when? Exactly when, right? And then we will target here for the take profit, but price is trigger and then falling 24 pip. These are the entry in the it's really trigger. The TP1 was here at the swing, but it's not. It's about 24. I won't believe I have sell limit missed by 4 pip. Oh, I think missed by 4 pip because of the spread. Is it? Yeah, it might miss by the, but I did not adjust it really exact like price went into this. Okay, and then falling. I think if I put exact here, I may miss because depend on the brokers. Yeah, depend on the brokers because some of the broker have very high spread, right? So if you put and then they have the arc line and the beach line, right? It's not, I think it's not go above. I think it's not trigger. 3236. Oh, you put exact you put exact the number that I give you. Yeah, sometimes sometimes you might have to just put at like 323435. Yeah, just meet by few pip. Maybe it's come the capture here at 32, 36 point something something a few pip. Yeah. You can exact, somebody exact and then price is reward for like this morning setup, right? You will see that. Okay. On the higher time frame, always look, this is still resistance level. Okay. Here our monthly supply zone. Okay. weekly, sorry, this is a weekly. G1 closing with bearish. And this yesterday, like last month also closing with like not even the candle, it even go to the half of the candle, which is the month of October. So I think we still can see like the bearish momentum here. The high was here. Price still make the, you see that? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So it's a bearish move in the monthly time frame. Weekly, okay. Video time frame, you can see a lot of rejection right here, price, and one is price make a lower high. Okay, and also we can say that it's within the bearish channel, right? And then this impulse is an imbalance here, broke this key level, support level, right? When is it? 1.3283, somewhere around here, which is the body. You can see the body close below. Before that, you can see the rejection, the wick, the wick. And this was the week of when? October, last week of October, price closed below. This week, October 27, the week, and price pull back. Now we're gonna see that price is falling from this level. Okay, D1, wow, D1, price action. So, yep, at least we aim risky again. Let me look. Okay. Okay, I'll be slowly. Okay, and this one, if price did not respect these zones, the next sell zone we're gonna aim for the OB. First resistance gonna put here. And second one, maybe slightly higher. This is gonna be the next zone. I don't want to put too far away, which is right here. We have the OB, like also another supply zone here. Around these zones. And now price has four holding at this level. Okay. Right here. H4, okay. H4 price go in the zone. You can see the price action with belly in gap, and then price went back up here to get the OB, and then they are making the lower high. If we see the low high, I think there's a good chance that we can hold our sell entry. TP1, I think it may be right here is already trigger. Right, the pullback here, able to sell, did take profit already. 44 pip. Okay, but I'm gonna adjust, then I'm gonna put here for support. Okay. This is second level, second support level right here. How many percent? 38, 20, 23, and 61.8. That's gonna be the Fibo level. Okay. Okay, so right now let discuss about the XAUUSD. Where is this? Who do this? Oh, the signal. Okay. I'm gonna go for the monthly time frame again. Always look for the monthly time frame right now. Wow. I think the London is buying gold right now. It's just the first day of the December. You can see that the monthly is rising, and I think the closing price is somewhere here for the month of November. That's the closing. Okay, right now, and right now the high for the month is already close. 40, 42, 45. Now price rising. The highest one was 42.56. Okay, and this is the ATH for the all-time high was right here, somewhere around here. Weekly. Okay. Weekly. One is the body. This is the opening, closing, somewhere around that price from 52 to 43. Okay, now it went up. The ATH was there. D1. So price went in. This is our OB. My setup still the same, Nina, for gold. Okay, I'm still looking at the 127. It might come for the London, New York or London session. Okay, this is gonna be the extension. Okay. And also there is the 127, right? Which not 127, 78.6%. Okay, right. So, and we have the within the zones, we have the FVGO fabric gap. So this is going to be the zone that I'm looking to sell. Okay, one. And I'm going to use the Fibonacci projection. So that's going to be somewhere around here, 200 and 224 for the projection. Okay. Also 224 and 261. Okay, that's going to be the zone. High probability trade setup going to be here. So stop loss you put above this ATH all-time high right here. So when you just wait for price to go in the zones and then you see the rejection, you sell. Okay. Now we go to H1. So right now in H1 time frame, people might sell based on these supply zones. Okay. The first time price went in the supply zone right here, you will see it's about 400 pip. And right now price went into where this, what color is it? What is this? This was the supply zone. The is this closing? Yeah, closing price here, right? 52, you see price have rejected for the weekly and then you're falling. So I'm go to the lower time frame. Why price is falling here? First, did you sell here for scalping? Price was falling almost 100 pips. And now they went up to these zones. I don't know why is people just want to sell at 42.53, falling is almost 100 pips. It's almost 100 pips falling right there. Well, you can see they make equal lower high. Okay, so for gold, I have quite a few scenarios, which is first, D1 time frame. Okay. Oh no, what is this? Wait. Okay. Anyway, just ignore that. Okay. In the bigger picture, I would say probably doing the within the ranging right now. Okay. When in this box, either they're going to do A, B, C. Okay, sideways in the bigger pictures. In the D1, you might see the sideways until the new year. Or they're gonna just respect these zones. Why they lock all this? Because they lock, I cannot just. Can I unlock all? Never try. Okay, done. Okay, right now, or if this gonna be the zone that price has like falling from this, then it's gonna be something like that. Once another scenario, which is this one, meaning that if this one gonna do the big zigzag, it is gonna be A here or B here, and then go to C. But right now, by right, we cannot draw the channel like this because we still need to have two on top and two below. It doesn't have to be consecutive one, but I just make the guess if price gonna go up here, and then we can draw the channels, something like that. Meaning that it's still valid zone. That would be, I'm gonna always stick with this setup for the long term. For the swing, that would be 50 to 61.8. That could be possible if price, okay, want to come to this zone to make a C. If it's gonna look something like that, this gonna be the swing setup. Okay. If this gonna be something like that, or sideways, or make the channel to come here, or go to this the last OB in D1 is still valid because it haven't been used, right? It's still valid, these zones. Yeah. Also, it's going to be your demand, meaning you can buy from this level. So meaning if price go to supply zone OB there, for the swing, you target here. I don't know from which, I don't know from which price. So you need to wait for price to go in first. Okay, and then you can target here for the demand. Okay. Mm. Mm. It's gonna be this within maybe there and then falling. Also possible. Anything possible, so we need to wait. Either go up here close to the OB or somewhere around that zones. Okay, so right now I'm not gonna share, I'm gonna not sell anything because if the first time touch, I will sell. Okay, in the lower time frame because price falling now. M15 we can sell, right? M15 the first touch 53 falling 42 100 pip so fast, but then we not sell. I'm still wait for somewhere around that zones. First time sale already here, pullback sale already, so I did not sell again right now. Okay, so I'm gonna monitor in the bigger picture. It will look like this. So it gives me, so I want to see, okay, what I want to see is that I want at least, okay, H, mm, it seems like they're going to close with bearish candle. Okay, never mind. If this H4 closing with the rejection with the bearish in gap more than 50% of this candle, the next hour I'm gonna sell. But of course, we need to wait until H4 to close. So maybe at the New York section. But best here, I would say that in M5 price have make a lower high. And also have broken this level, this low. Anybody sell gold? By right, if it's scalping, I should sell gold within the zone. Within price has go to like 50, 54. This M15. Anyone sell or anyone want to request, guys? You know what time I woke up today? I woke up at 4:30 a.m. in the morning. That's why I'm yawning. I'm sorry, okay. I not enough coffee maybe. Okay. You see the M15 closing very strong. Price went at 55 and went back up again at 53. Falling is more than 100 pip right now. So actually, this is our zone that we want to sell. Okay, it's a OB. It's a big OB in the red one for the monthly time frame. For the D1 time frame. Okay, but I just want to narrow down the zone. That's gonna be the like the FVG right here. Again. Just okay. Just wait for the price go to this level. Don't chase the market. Okay. If this gonna be like this, if price go to this one and then falling, if then falling here, let's say if somewhere around here price falling, and then I could just do like that, meaning okay, if they're gonna then I can go A, maybe somewhere B, and then I'm gonna be C here. Okay, I'm gonna do like that. But right now, let them move up in the bullish channel first. Mm. Okay. Okay, let's look at the indicator. Overbought. Is it gonna make a divergence? No divergence, yes. Monthly. H4 overbought. This is about to close. This is about to maybe falling to become negative. But it seems like no volume right now. Okay. It's just selling at the supply zone. That's it. Selling at the supply zone right now. Okay. With the psychological number 4250. Price close below. That's it. Yeah. You see there's a no OB here. Mm. Actually, this was the price closing with the weekly close here, right? And then you see the price action. So now price is really falling more than 100 pip right now. 1 3. Wanted to sell, but the miss entry, so better don't sell. Just leave it like that. Okay, so if we did not sell, we should wait for the buy entry. It's also the risky as well because price come from really big zone for the supply zone. If you want to sell, if you want to buy, this is going to be the buy zone at this level, the green one. Okay, that's going to be the green one, which is if price falling here. This is green one body daily OB somewhere around here. And also I was this is the intermediate support level that this morning price went all the way and went up at 7 o'clock market open, rising. So I'm gonna put here for my first support. Then tomorrow I'm gonna adjust again. Okay, and this is just for today. So now price just went into the supply zone, that is. Okay. Right here. Either gonna do the big sideways or they're gonna go to this FBG in H4, then falling. Okay. Maybe price maybe not go all the way to this FBG, or they just raise back at the 40 42 42 35 or 50 or 55 and then falling. Yeah, in the low time frame I already see the price had falling in 15. If we can confirm the price close below this 42.20, and then I will just break, pull back, and then sell. Okay, guys. Do you have any instrument you want me to look for you? Anyone want to request? For scalping gold, we miss entry, so basically I don't have right now. See, I think they break out of the trend line. Yeah, they may break out of the trend line. In here. Channel. So break out the channels. Yeah, broke. Anyone want to request? Please. Nobody? or anybody sell. If you sell, you let me know. But I did not. Okay, I did not. You see that price went in H1. Now it's pull back about 150 pip. Okay, anybody want to request? Okay, let me check on the app. Okay, no. Okay, so bouncing off. First thing first, let's wait for H1 to close first. Always, if like that you're unsure, you wait for H1 candle to close first. Okay, and then we can consider to buy or to sell. If price is still closing like below 42, 45, I think the next candle we can look for the sell entry. Okay, and then stop loss we put above this swing high. No need to put, because if they break above this swing high, high chance they may want to go to this FVG or fair value gap. Okay. All right. Wow. Okay. Quick look. BTC. Oh, today sell. Because the morning I saw it's about 91,000. Right. It was sideways. Now it's sell off during the Asia section. Now it's 85 and then it bounce. Okay. My BTC. Okay. FVG broke. So whenever FVG broken, what zone is it, guys? This zone is gonna be the Barron price range, right? Okay, Barron price is a chapter two opposite fabric gap overlap. So this is the zone, meaning when price go in here, you sell. Okay. Hmm. It's gonna be your sell entry. Okay. You see that this is H4. The FVG of fabric gap does not trigger. You see there, boom. I don't bother about FVG in where in the H4 time frame. So this is gonna become the zones. And by right, this is the support, it become your resistance. Right. Resistance, break above, pull back on the business support level. No, don't bother, it become your resistance. So this is a ABG fail, both side, and now become your BPS, balance price range. Okay, and now you wait for price to pull, but then you sell. You could target here first for the TP1, first support, somewhere around here or here. Then we draw the zones. Okay. All right, guys. This is for the BTC. We have a pullback, and then you sell at about 88, between 87 and 89, somewhere around there. Okay. And right now, gold is just being the rejection, nothing. So let's just wait for H1 candle to close first, and then we decide. But still, okay, if I'm still unsure like this, I'm not gonna do anything. Okay, I'm gonna wait at these zones. Um, in M15, is my doing the sideway? Maybe they're doing a sideway right now. Okay, they might doing a sideway right now within these zones. We don't know because now it just seems like they are doing like this. Okay, they are doing like this. Big being ranging. All right, guys, that should be all. Oh, BTC, somebody asked me BTC. Okay, BTC, I just saw in the app. Here is a BTC, guys. Sorry. Do you see? Do you see this? So we're gonna wait to sell at this level. If I'm gonna pull out the Fibonacci, right? You see that 50% 61.8 at these zones. Okay. So you want to sell based on the like a premium discount, you just like at least 50% fib above somewhere right here, and then you sell. Like below here, like below, which is from 87 until 88, somewhere around there, you not sell. Like you're gonna sell. If you're gonna sell, you're gonna sell at these zones. Okay, the blue one. The purple one, you're not selling. Highlight because of this fail FBG bottom price range. So you wait for pullback and then you sell. Then you want to see the OB here. This is gonna be the quite strong zone, you know, because key level broke one imbalance here, create the FBG, pullback, you're going to sell. This one you're gonna see price, people gonna sell here, both sides. Okay. If not here, you sell at this second resistance. Okay. This one I delete. This one was like somewhere a week ago. I did not trigger. So we remove. Okay. Right now they are making the equal high, like the high here. Lower low, low high, lower low, lower, low high, lower low, equal high right here. Now they make a lower low. Now you not make a lower low. Now right now they make a lower high. You see that's quite risky right now. Okay. Now they come here. If they respect, and then we're gonna see falling. Maybe right here and then falling. Okay. This is the entire move. Okay, from here, pull back. If they're not close above this one, go back up like that. Then we can still sell here and then falling. Right? So just watch out these zones. Okay, for the BTC. All right, guys, that should be all for today. Thank you so much. I'm gonna catch up with you guys again on this coming Wednesday. Have a good week ahead. Okay, today is just Monday, maybe just the first day of December. That's why you see that the market is very quiet, maybe quiet or not quiet. Back to gold was very quite a strong move since the Asia open, market open 500 pip. No, what is here? Rising the high, it's about almost like 500 pip right now. Okay, you see that. Okay, right now H1 is H1 is close. Still like that, I'm not gonna sell. Okay, I'm gonna wait for another candle. And you look at H4. If they're closing like that, you can wait another H1 to close or at least H4. If H4 closing like this, meaning that they're going to go to this level. Okay, this level. So this one, we're not gonna sell. This zone to me, this zone somewhere around here, is gonna be your liquidity, meaning that they are attract the retail trader to sell at the resistance level, right? I'm not gonna sell because price come a few times. You see that if price really want to like falling, the first time here, they should just come and then fall and make kind of like price action, right? But you see that falling now try to break and they want to go to this POI or point of interest somewhere around here before they're falling. Okay, so we just be patient. Okay, no need to sell, no need to be like a FOMO or panic, just let it go. We wait for this high probability setup. Okay, bye guys, take care, see you, bye bye.